I just like to throw this fucking money around. Alright guys, so in this video, I am going to show you the top 3 methods that you can get paid up to $400 every single week by chatting with strangers. Roll the goddamn intro. What is going on, guys? Welcome back. My name is Andrew Alvey, and I'm so excited to have you guys here today. If you guys are brand new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on those notifications. We welcome you to the family. If you are returning back, make sure to drop a like on this video. Drop a freaking bomb on that like button. I know that your parents told you probably not to talk to strangers online. Well, we are going to change that today, and we are going to show you how to get paid while you do it. All right, so the number one site that we're going to talk about today where you can get paid is called SiteStaff. All right, so as you can see, we are on the SiteStaff website. Now, this website is a service that is offered to businesses to give them live chat. So what happens is you can actually apply and become one of the people that is going to work as a live chat customer service representative. SiteStaff actually pays $10 per hour, okay? $10 per hour just to simply provide customer support, sit behind your keyboard, type away, and talk to other people. Now, this could be something you're doing while you're doing other activities or while you're building up other passive income sources. So this next one is being an at-home advisor for Apple. Now, this one is really neat because almost everybody's heard of Apple, and if you're somebody like me who has the iPhone, who has MacBook computers, who has another MacBook that you're using to record, they're clearly going to be somebody who is knowledgeable on the product. You can help others make a decision. Now, the best part about the Apple at-home advisors is that you can actually make more money. You can make anywhere between $15 and $23 an hour, okay? Compare that to the $10 at SiteStaff. So the really good thing about Apple Chat is this is available worldwide, as Apple devices are sold all over the world, and they need at-home advisors to help other people make a decision on their purchases. You're essentially going to help people just by having a basic understanding of some of these devices. You can actually provide a lot of information to others that are looking for these simple explanations. You are basically the middle person, because if something cannot be solved, it gets passed upward to the actual tech support, but you are just there to simply provide advice and help others. Now, one of the cool benefits to working with Apple is that you actually have coworkers and you actually have a network that you're involved with and that you communicate with on a daily basis. This is unique to a lot of these chat offers because you really feel like you're part of a community. Apple actually prefers that you also have a phone available just in case you have to take phone calls and actually communicate with customers via the phone and not just on their real-time chat, whether it's on their website or through actual text messaging. All you have to do is be able to communicate, have well grammar, be able to speak English, can you hear me? And type approximately 50 to 60 words per minute. Most people worldwide can do these things just based in the era that we've grown up in. Now, if you're someone that really appreciates an Apple product, this may be the perfect work-at-home job for you to do while you're building your other passive income sources online. Holy shit. And that is ruined. That's going to be the new one I give to a stripper later. All right, now the number one best method for getting paid online to chat with strangers, I'm going to reveal with you in 1 second. I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for getting this channel to 100 subscribers. Your guys' support is honestly amazing. I am so stoked to be here and be able to provide you guys with some sort of value. If you like what this channel is all about, please comment down below. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what you don't want to see. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and welcome to the family. We're so happy for the support, and I'm so happy that you guys tune in to watch these videos. All right, back to the number one method to chat online with strangers and make money is through a website called Weebly. Now, Weebly is actually based in Silicon Valley. It is a tech startup. Now, what Weebly does is a simple website that is made to help other people build e-commerce sites. Now, Weebly is always looking for people that are motivated self-starters that are able to communicate well and therefore help provide support to their massive amounts of customers worldwide. Now, I told you in the beginning of the video how you can make up to $400 per week by talking to strangers online. Now, this comes from Weebly, who is willing to pay $17 to $18 an hour. Now, keep in mind, this is less than Apple, but the reason is that Weebly requires you to work a minimum of 20 hours per week. 20 hours per week at $17 an hour is just below $400. Now, imagine making $400 per week, $1,600 a month, while you get to build up other passive income sources, learn other skills, work from home, and go and use this money as seed money to go out and invest into other passive income streams that you want to build up. So they even talk about their chat here, and they boast on why it is so important. They say whether you're on a journey as a creative entrepreneur, their customer success team is here to help you succeed. Now, that is what you guys would be doing, is being their customer success team that helps people launch their websites, that helps people create their email campaigns, and they are available via live chat and phone support. And one of the top reasons that Weebly is able to pay so well is because they have over 50 million people using their website builder. That is an amazing amount of customers, and it gives them a huge need and desire for people to be there supporting those customers every single day. Now, as I said before, guys, these are the top 3 methods that you need to make $400 every single week chatting on the computer, safe and sound in your house every single week, all from the comfort of your own home. So now, if you guys are interested in finding more scalable ways to build up passive income online, check out this next video and playlist right here that's going to show you the 7 best passive income ideas heading into late 2019. These are primarily the best things that you can start online if you're looking for a scalable way to grow a business heading into 2020. Once again, guys, thank you guys so much for subscribing. My name is Andrew Alvey. Thanks for hitting 100 subs. Thanks for joining the family. Thanks for dropping a freaking dab on this video right now. Hit the like button if you liked it. YouTube loves it. I love it. My name is Andrew Alvey. Until next time, Andrew Alvey. Ooh.
Hey, oh, I've been up for like 2 hours. 2 hours. Yo, bitch came through, took a few showers. I don't bop, I just money dance, yeah. That wristwatch costs 100 grand.